Ikalima.
And, you know, being a beast in the shaded area.
Oh! There's a great follow-up by Tautua, which we want to see more of.
Pangapat.
Nakagawa ng paraan. Team Phoenix that day. Ayan na naman. Yung stage naman ni Baroka ngayon. 3-on-1. Mark Anthony stretches for the finger roll. May kasama pang foul.
At the bench mob, this is quite impossible for Phoenix to keep in steps. Lalong-lalo na fresh. Tingnan mo yung elevation ni Baroka rito.
Pangatlo.
Lee on the move. Iniwan kay Mitchell. Oh! Ho, ho, ho! That was a 180 jam by Tony.
What a way to score his first 2 points. A slam dunk.
Ikalawa.
Hello! Hello! We didn't see that coming.
Ayun, back to back. Give it to that guy again because he's on a roll.
At ang nanguna.
Pero kailangan doon tayo magpunta. Ayaw magbabaon. Wow!
Bakot para sa kanilang susunod na laro. Kelly Williams.
Kelly Williams with that pabaon jam. That is the exclamation point.